Hello everyone, welcome back to my famous educational channel to watch more creative videos on template engine. As we have gone through many videos on template engine such as EJS, HBS. Today's video is really interesting and creative. It is all about template engine using PUG. So let us go through the program in detail. Program is about insert data and display using template engine PUG. Let us go through the program. First of all, we will go to the models directory. In that, schema is there. This is all about schema. Now we will move on to controller directory. In that we are having authentication. In that login.js, what username and password should be given. Now I will move on to public directory. In that, images, then JavaScript part, that is about bootstrap, then style sheet, that is about style sheet and this thing, and bootstrap. Now we'll move on to roots directory. In that, index.js, now second file, login, then template, then user, this is about user, then users, about users. Now we will move on to main part of this video, that is views directory. In that you are having this is index.pug, then layout PUG, login PUG, then logout PUG, then show user, then user, this is very delicate file, indent oriented. You can see from the view. Now I will execute the program. Yes, server started with port number 4000 connected to Mongoose. Now I will execute the program. Start the server. Localhost. So nice view has been displayed. This is all happening due to PUG engine. Now name Sachin Tendulkar, CPGA 3.9, course TY BSc Computer Science, then email Sachin@gmail.com, password yes, name Sachin Tendulkar, CPGA 3.9, course and Sachin, and this password. Now another user, Rohit Sharma, CPGA 3.7, course SYBCA Science, email Rohit password. Yes, 2 record has been added. Now another Virat, course MSc Computer Science, UGCA, email ID virat@gmail.com, password So I have successfully done with insert and delete operation using Node.js and Mongoose and PUG template. If you like this video, please share me in comments, share with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel. I take more efforts to create this video. I will be back with more videos on Node.js, MongoDB, template engine, Streamlit, Python, Flask. Thanks for watching.